Welcome to the world of Lean, beyond manufacturing. Imagine a workplace where waste is minimized, processes are streamlined, and value is maximized. That's the essence of Lean. It's a way of thinking and working that empowers everyone to contribute to continuous improvement. Lean focuses on delivering the highest value to the customer by eliminating anything that doesn't add value. In this episode of S&P Knowledge Series, let's discuss on the topic Lean Beyond Manufacturing, authored by S.N. Panigrahi. The application of Lean principles extends far beyond the traditional manufacturing, offering a powerful framework for optimizing any process where value is created. By systematically identifying and eliminating waste, be it in service delivery, healthcare workflows, food delivery, IT services and software development, airline services, or even administrative operations, organizations can achieve significant gains in efficiency, quality, and customer satisfaction. This strategic adoption of Lean methodologies fosters a culture of continuous improvement, enabling businesses to adapt swiftly to evolving demands and secure a sustainable competitive advantage across diverse sectors. Modern technologies, including AI, IoT, and Industry 4.0, further enhance Lean practices by driving automation, efficiency, and continuous improvement. The beauty of Lean lies in its simplicity. It's not about complex theories but practical tools and techniques that are easy to understand and implement. By focusing on the flow of work and continuously seeking ways to improve, organizations can achieve remarkable results. From reducing lead times to improving quality and boosting employee morale, the benefits of Lean are numerous. It's a journey of continuous learning and improvement, always striving for excellence. Lean journey from Ford to Toyota. The roots of Lean manufacturing can be traced back to the early 20th century, with Henry Ford's revolutionary assembly line. This system utilized standardized processes, interchangeable parts, and continuous flow production to significantly reduce manufacturing time. The production time for the Model T cars was reduced from 12 hours to just 1.5 hours. However, the limitation of Ford's system was its rigidity, as it lacked flexibility for product variations. Meanwhile, during 1910 to 1920, Frank and Lillian Gilbreth were pioneers in the field of motion study, analyzing and improving the efficiency of workers' movements. Their research laid the foundation for industrial engineering and influenced Frederick Taylor's scientific management. Their work focused on improving labor productivity through work standardization, ergonomic efficiency, and process optimization. Their work laid the groundwork for eliminating wasted motion in various industries. However, it was in post-World War II, Lean truly took shape in Japan during 1940 to 1950. Toyota developed a more flexible and efficient production system under the leadership of Taiichi Ohno and Shigeo Shingo. Inspired by Ford's assembly line, the Toyota Production System, TPS, introduced two core principles: just-in-time, JIT, and Jidoka, automation with a human touch. The system focused on eliminating waste, Muda, reducing inconsistency, Mura, and minimizing overburden, Muri. Toyota's approach emphasized continuous improvement, quality control, and employee involvement. TPS focused on eliminating waste, improving flow, and empowering workers to identify and solve problems. Just-in-time, JIT, was pioneered by Toyota and was influenced by the inventory management system used in American supermarkets. The concept focuses on producing only what is needed, when it is needed, and in the exact quantity required. JIT helps in minimizing inventory costs, reducing lead times, and improving operational efficiency. Successful implementation of JIT requires strong supplier relationships, accurate demand forecasting, and efficient logistics management. Toyota also introduced the concept of Jidoka, or automation with a human touch, where machines could detect abnormalities and stop production, allowing workers to focus on problem solving. Birth of lean manufacturing, 1980 to 1990. Now let's explore the birth of lean manufacturing in this episode of S&P Knowledge Series. The term lean was first introduced by John Krafcik in 1988 during his MIT research on Toyota's production system. In 1990, James Womack, Daniel Jones and Daniel Roos published The Machine That Changed the World, which analyzed Toyota's superior performance and established lean as a global manufacturing philosophy. In 1996, Womack and Jones introduced the 5 key principles of lean in their book, Lean Thinking, which are identifying value, mapping the value stream, creating flow, establishing a pull system, and pursuing perfection. Lean methodologies employ a comprehensive suite of tools, encompassing value stream mapping, heijunka, standardized work. Further tools, including Kaizen and poka-yoke, enable continuous improvement and error prevention. Tools like 3M, 5S, Kanban, A3 problem solving, and Gemba walks also employed to systematically identify and eliminate waste, optimize workflows, and enhance productivity across diverse operational landscapes. A holistic application of these lean methodologies drives efficiency and achieves strategic objectives. These tools, when integrated within a culture of continuous improvement, empower organizations to streamline processes, reduce lead times, minimize errors, and achieve strategic objectives by focusing on delivering maximum value with minimal resources. While lean was initially embraced by manufacturing companies, its principles have since been adopted by various industries, from healthcare to software development and other service sectors. Lean beyond manufacturing. While lean manufacturing originated in factories, its principles have proven to be universally applicable. Lean principles enhance efficiency across industries by optimizing processes and reducing waste. Today, lean is embraced by businesses, governments, and organizations of all sizes and industries. In food delivery, they enable faster order processing, minimal waste, and streamlined logistics. Airline services benefit from reduced turnaround times, fewer delays, and efficient baggage handling. E-commerce adopts just-in-time inventory, automated warehousing, and fast last-mile delivery. Healthcare improves patient care through shorter wait times, better resource utilization, and enhanced service quality. Retail achieves efficient stock management, reduced overstock, and faster checkouts. Financial services streamline operations with less paperwork and better fraud detection. In software development, it's employed to shorten development cycles, eliminate bugs, and deliver value to users faster. Lean principles are even being applied in education, government, and non-profit organizations to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance service delivery. In the public sector, lean governance ensures faster services and an improved citizen experience. The key is to adapt the core principles of lean, eliminating waste, improving flow, and empowering people to the specific context of each organization. The journey of lean is a testament to the power of continuous improvement. It's about fostering a culture where everyone is empowered to identify and eliminate waste, streamline processes, and deliver the highest value to customers. As lean continues to evolve and adapt to new challenges, it remains a powerful force for driving efficiency, innovation, and customer satisfaction in the 21st century. With advancements in AI, IoT, and Industry 4.0, lean has evolved into a digital-driven approach, enabling real-time optimization, predictive analytics, and smart automation. This transformation reinforces lean as a strategic framework for continuous improvement, innovation, and sustainable growth across industries. Hope you liked the presentation. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe for more actionable insights. Join us in the journey of knowledge exchange at S&P Knowledge Series.
Do you find the presentation informative and useful? If yes, then click like and also subscribe the channel for free to receive updates. Thank you. For more details contact SN Panigrahi at the below contact details.